Gang so want this lens flare transition. So let's divert into the tutorial.
So gang, I'm going to give you two types of shakes in the video, so watch till the end.
This could go on for infinity. Color coded just to keep me sane. My world is finally starting to take shape. I press the button and it bursts into life. This time nothing will escape my sight. I see the stars and the planets soon follow.